I'm considering several people for a promotion, so I asked HR to pull their files for me so I could review them. I wasn't expecting to look at medical stuff, but since it was in the files, I figured it couldn't hurt. It turns out that one of my strongest candidates has multiple sclerosis. I was floored because, as far as I could tell, it hadn't been a problem, but I'm not so sure I should consider this person for the position.
Okay, a couple of things wrong here. Obviously, you're not supposed to base hiring, transfer, or promotion decisions on health information. That's a whole other subject. But the second legal landmine here is that the personnel information and health information were together in the same file. Remember, confidentiality of employee records must be protected.